Good evening, Kitsap. And I know a lot of you are thinking right now, oh my gosh, Matt's doing another video forecast for the second night in a row. Yes, that's right, Kitsap. I've been feeling so guilty that I haven't been doing video forecasts for you for the past little while, so I'll make it up to you and do more frequent video forecasts. So let's get to a few of the top stories this evening. May has been unseasonably cold and wet. And so was April, and so was March. So we've had kind of a rough spring as predicted. It was going to be a pretty cold spring. But let's take a look at the temperatures first. This is a 2-week temperature graph, give you kind of an idea where we've been since the beginning of May. And here we go. We have about 1, 2, 3, 4, oh, wrong spot, 5. There we go. Okay. Oh, 6. Okay, 6. Oh, this one's barely, almost above normal. But good. These are nice numbers that are drawn. About 6 periods we've had normal to above normal temperatures. Other than that, the rest of the time period we've been having below normal temperatures. It's been wickedly cold, people. And this is not what May is supposed to be like. But that's just 2 weeks. Let's take a look at the 6-month graph, and you'll be surprised. Here we have temperatures from about mid to late November all the way to mid-May. All right, and we can kind of dissect this and look at some of the big moments in weather history as far as temperatures are concerned. Look at this. You can clearly see where we had the big December freeze. All right, look how these temperatures just dip. We get to December. We warm up a little bit for January, a little bit of a spike there, but once we get to early to mid-April, remember, we did have that period where we had our first 70s of the season, and then a few other warm temperatures in mid-April, and then towards late April, almost to the beginning of May, but then look, boom, we just crash once we get to May. So again, a few high periods and one really big low period, and then we've just had kind of some obnoxious cold mixed in. Not too cold, not too warm, just kind of obnoxious, right? So that's where we've been the past 6 months. You can kind of clearly see it's been kind of a roller coaster, indeed. Let's take a look at the rain totals. Why don't we? We looked at temperatures. We know it's been cold. But here we have some precip totals. We've been soaked from head to toe. All right, Tacoma apparently today was washed out. Well, our golfing team here at CK High School could not play their match because Tacoma was washed out. Precip to date, 2.74 inches. That is over a half an inch above normal. It has been a wet one. I cannot stress that enough. It's just been anomalously wet. All right, here's the forecast for tonight. Mostly clear skies, lows in the low to mid 40s. All right, so good news is we'll be clearing out. We'll likely have a little bit of fog tomorrow morning because of the moist ground. Tomorrow, mostly sunny. Highs will be in the mid 60s. Yes, you see this? We'll finally be getting back to normal, maybe even a little bit above normal. So a nice break indeed. And then here's your 7-day. The weekend looks more than pleasant. Highs will be in the mid to upper 60s, even low 70s likely on Sunday. We will have some clouds increasing Sunday and kind of a wet Monday. Monday's been looking like it's going to deteriorate faster than we all thought it would. And highs will drop dramatically, 10 degrees difference here. High of 62 on Monday, upper 50s possible for Tuesday before we get back into low 60s with partly sunny skies for Wednesday and Thursday. So again, just like I forecasted yesterday, enjoy the weekend. Early part of next week will not look so nice, but we should improve as the week goes on. So again, try to stay warm out there. The long range isn't looking too hopeful, but again, I think we'll make up for this in the summertime. There's a forecast for Forecasting Kitsap. I'm Matt Leach.